In this video, we will explore the dashboard data where administrators can gain valuable insights. At the top center of the dashboard, you'll find key information about your institute. Here, you can see the institute cover photo, logo, your name, your role, and the institute name. On the right top, you'll find the upcoming sessions. Easily start or join sessions from here. Just below that, you'll find the classes of the institute and the groups you're part of. Now, let's explore the insights available for administrators. The first insight is activity statistics. Here, you'll see how many activities are created by all teachers in the institute. You can filter this data based on today, this week, this month, or a custom date range. You can also filter it class-wise and subject-wise. Next, let's dive into session analytics. This provides information about the sessions conducted in the institute. You'll see the number of sessions conducted, total duration of all sessions, average duration of a class session, and average attendance. Similar to activity statistics, you can filter this data based on today, this week, this month, or a custom date range. You can also filter it class-wise, subject-wise, teacher-wise, and there you have it. Valuable insights at your fingertips, right from the Roombr dashboard.
Roombr.